Shruti. So in today's video I'm going to start a new series which is called as the Best Beauty Buys series, and I'm going to talk to you all about the products that I've been loving in skincare, hair care as well as makeup products. So I'm going to be doing this every 2 to 3 weeks as and when I find good products, and I'm going to show it to you all. So today I'm going to share with you all 5 products that I've been loving, and so if you want to see that, then please keep on watching. So let's start off with the first product, and this is the product that I've been absolutely loving, and this is L'Oreal's True Matte Genius 4-in-1 Primer, Foundation, Concealer and Powder, and this is what the packaging looks like. So it's really sleek, it's silver, and then you just open this up and then you get the product here. So you have the mirror, the product and the sponge. As you can clearly see by the condition of this sponge that I've used this product quite a lot because I love it. And this is in the shade G4 Gold Beige. And there are around 7 shades in these, so that's why I really like it, because you're definitely going to find a shade for yourself. And this product provides pretty good coverage as well. I'm using it on my face right now, and I love this because it gives such a nice, natural, flawless looking skin. So what I do is I just wet my PAX Beauty blender that's there, and then I use the product with the sponge, and it gives the most natural looking skin, natural and flawless looking skin ever, and I love it. And if every day you really don't want to use a foundation, then you can definitely go for this product because you just need to apply it with a sponge and that's it, and this is going to even out the skin complexion, and that's why I have been loving it. So you should definitely give this a go. So the next product that I'm going to talk to you all about is this one, and this is Krylin's Lip and Cheek, and this is what the packaging looks like. So this really is similar to the OCC lip stars that are there, and I've been loving this product. So I use it on my cheeks as well as my lips, and if you're going to apply this product on your lips, it's not going to go anywhere. Like, the color stays on for a really long time, and what you can do is just apply it on your cheeks as well, so it gives a natural flush of color to your cheeks without looking too much, and it looks really nice. It's a nice coral color, and this is what the color looks like on my hand. So I've been loving this. So I'm going to mention the description box where I got this product from and the address as well, so definitely check these out because these are really good and you won't regret buying these. The next are also lip products, and this is a new launch from Revlon, and this is their Revlon Ultra HD Matte Lip Colors, and this is what they look like. The packaging on these is really cute. So this is in the shade HD Seduction, and then this is in the shade HD Love, and I'm going to swatch these shades on my hand right now. These are also really creamy, so they don't dry completely matte. Even if the packaging says that they are matte, they don't dry completely matte, but that's perfectly fine. And the colors on these are really nice, and they smell like those biscuits that are there, the creamy biscuits that you get. They smell exactly like that. And this is the first shade, and this is what the shade looks like. So it's a nice nude pink, and this is in the shade HD Seduction. So these also don't last for a really long time because if you have a meal, then they are not going to stay on your lips, but they fade away really nicely, so that's what I like about these. And then this is in the shade HD Love. It's a nice red color. Just going to swatch it on my hand. What I do is I usually mix these 2 shades that are there because this is really light for my skin, and when you mix these 2 shades, it gives a really nice pinky corally shade, and that's why I love this. So this is in the shade HD Seduction, and this is in the shade HD Love, and you should definitely give these a go because they're really creamy and they're not going to make your lips really dry throughout the day. That's why I love these. So the next is a skincare product, and this is from Neutrogena, and this is their Visibly Clear 2-in-1 wash and mask, and this is what the packaging looks like. So I've been loving this product, and I generally don't repurchase products because I don't like using the same products and again, but this is an exception. This is the second tube of this. So you can use this product as a face wash as well as a face mask, and that's why I love this. So this helps reduce the spots on your face, and it also helps to unclog the pores and purify deep down when you use it as a face mask, and that's why I love this, and you should definitely check this out. And I'm going to link it down below in the description box on where you can find this, so definitely pick this up. And this was only for around 500 bucks, and you get around 150 ml of product, so that's why I love this. And the last is a hair care product, and this is from Batiste, and this is their dry shampoo, and this is the smaller size that I have, and I got this from Nykaa.com because now they have Batiste dry shampoos as well, so you should definitely give these a go because Batiste is known for its dry shampoos. And if your scalp is really oily like mine and you don't want to wash your hair every single day, then you should definitely buy a dry shampoo because this is just going to absorb the excess oils in your scalp, and it's going to make your hair look fresh and new. So definitely give this one a go. So yeah guys, these were my 5 best beauty buys, and I hope you like this new series, and if you did, then please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with all all your friends. Also let me know in the comments down below which are your favorite best beauty buys, because I would love to try those out. Also make sure you follow me on my social media, that's Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. The handle is bestofbeauty29. Also, as I mentioned in my last recent video, that I'm going to start something really exciting soon on my channel. So make sure you hit the subscribe button right here so that you're notified as and when I upload videos, and stay tuned for that. So I will see you in the next one, guys. Love you.